This is Askat Tanveer with Cries of Kashmir. As the month of February is approaching, every year on the 5th of February, Pakistan commemorates Kashmir Solidarity Day, reaffirming its firm support for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. This day, observed with nationwide activities and global outreach, epitomizes Pakistan's steadfast commitment to the Kashmir cause. While symbolic in nature, its significance transcends mere rituals, drawing attention to the enduring struggles of the Kashmiri people and the pressing issues of human rights, self determination, and global accountability. The origins of the Kashmir conflict trace back to 1947, when British India was partitioned into India and Pakistan. Princely states like Jammu and Kashmir were given the choice to accede to either nation or remain independent. Despite its Muslim majority population, Maharaja Hari Singh, the ruler of Jammu and Kashmir, controversially chose to accede to India, igniting unrest and a conflict that remains unresolved to this day. In 1948, the United Nations called for a plebiscite to allow the Kashmiri people to determine their own future, a promise yet to be realized. Over the decades, the region has been marred by wars, heavy militarization, curfews, and severe human rights abuses, with Indian occupied Kashmir bearing the brunt of these challenges. Kashmir Solidarity Day serves as a tribute to the resilience and sacrifices of the Kashmiri people. It shows Pakistan's enduring commitment to their right to self-determination as enshrined in United Nations resolutions. The day also serves as a platform to spot the persistent plight of Kashmiris and urge global powers to address the humanitarian crisis. For Pakistanis, it is a moment to renew their collective resolve and to stand in solidarity with Kashmiris. Observances typically include human chains, special prayers, and public events, emphasizing the urgent need for a peaceful resolution to the conflict. It also reminds us that how India is turning each of the Muslim heritage into Indian, like the Babri Masjid and now the Ajmer Sharif. More than that, the day calls upon the international community to uphold justices and human rights, ensuring that Kashmiri people are not forgotten. Kashmir Solidarity Day is not merely a simple gesture but a profound statement of the unity and determination. It reminds us of all the cruel activities that the BJP RSS led regime has done on Muslims in Kashmir and in India. It is a call to the world to prioritize justice, dignity, and peace for a region that has endured decades of suffering. Indian occupied Kashmir has been a site of persistent human rights violations. Reports from credible organizations such as Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch have documented instances of enforced disappearances, extrajudicial killings, torture, and restrictions on freedom of speech and assembly. The revocation of Article 370 by Indian government in August 2019 further escalated tensions. The constitutional change stripped Jammu and Kashmir of its semi-autonomous status, sparking widespread protests and a harsh crackdown by occupation forces. The situation has been exacerbated by prolonged curfews, internet blackouts, and the detention of political leaders. These measures have not only deepened the sense of alienation among Kashmiris but also raised serious concern about the erosion of basic freedoms. For many, these conditions amount for living under siege. The international community should play a crucial role in this by mediating between the parties and ensuring compliance with international law. Global actors can help create conditions conducive to peace.